guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be really exciting because in this video I'll show you how you can straighten your hair at home without any heating tools. Yes, what can be better if you can straighten your hair and do any sort of style without the heat damage. So in this video I'll show you that, and now without any further blabbering, let's get started. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then do like this video and comment down below what you think about this video, obviously after watching this video. And now let's get started. Starting the procedure, you need to wet your hair with the help of water, so I'll do that. And as you can see, my hair has a wavy sort of texture. It's not too much curly, but it is wavy. So yeah, I'll wet my hair using this spray, and it has water in it, and you should spray water to the full length of your hair. So I have sprinkled water all over my hair. Now nicely comb your hair. So I have nicely combed my hair. And now what you have to do is take a section and clip it on the other side. And if you have long hair like me, then it's a bit difficult. So what you have to do is you have to wrap it like this. It looks very funny, but this is what you have to do. Like this. Now do the same thing to the rest of your hair. And then clip it.
Open eye, feel the waves cut.
Same to the rest of your hair.
By the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
This side is done. Now it's done for this side. So I'll do the same with this side.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only.
If you have any extra hair left, then do the same technique and clip it on the other side. All of my hair from all sides, and now you have to spray some more water all over your hair. We are done for the night. Now I'll sleep and I'll wake up in the morning and I'll show you the result. So stay tuned for that. So I just woke up and I'm here to share the result, and this is the condition of my hair right now. It looks terrible. It looks worse than a crow's nest, but anyways, I'll share the result. So this hair just came out. Okay, let's open the hair. There are so many clips. If you have short hair, this is very easy to do, but for long hair, this process is little bit difficult because you have to overlap the hair, but you can do, but it is a bit difficult. It is taking ages to just remove the clips. Okay, it's done. Now I'll just comb my hair and then I'll show you the result. So as you can see, my hair definitely looks straight. You have short hair, na? It is more effective because you can do it more nicely. Just see, it definitely looks straight, and I'm loving it. Without heat, if you can get this kind of straight hair, then what's the need to use heat tools? So it is nice. This process is nice, and if you have short or medium length hair, it is more effective. But if you have longer hair than me also, then this process will be a bit difficult. Yeah, that's about it. And yeah, that's about the video. I hope you like this video and this video was helpful. And if this video was helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and it will motivate me to post more content. And yeah, that's about it. We'll meet very very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.